Hi, sir.
Hello.
My name is Shreya.
Hi.
I'm from Team Drone Expo.
Okay.
And I'm here to ask you a few questions about you and your company.
Sure.
So, give me a brief about yourself and your company.
My name is Dev. I'm the founder of Skyforce Innovations, and we have started this company last year only. We are into making of drones for defense. These two products which you see over here, and we are also into providing drone courses. So these are the two line of products which we have. One is the kamikaze drone, which means suicide drone, self-blasting, and another one is the payload dropping drone, which you see over here. And to talk about me, I've done my MTech from electronics, and I'm also a drone pilot or till medium category as well as the instructor. I'm also a member of Aeronautical Society of India, and I represent drone industry in Mumbai branch wherever there are events going on.
That's great to hear, sir. So, what product are you specifically showcasing in Drone Expo?
Specifically to talk about are these two kamikaze drones over here. Kamikaze, as I said, means self-blasting, self-exploding suicide drones. This is a short-range suicide drone, and this is a long-range one. We can connect an explosive like an ID plastic explosive, and it can detonate accordingly. Yeah.
So, coming on to the exhibition, did you find the right visitors for your business?
Yeah, we did. So there were visitors where we got more of military people. So military organization, government organization are the kind of people we are looking for to come at our stall. So yeah, some of them were there. One more day is left, so maybe tomorrow we'll get some more of military people.
We hope.
Because Saturday hai, to fir, yeah.
Yes, we hope that too, sir. So, regarding the exhibition further, are you looking to participate in our next edition of Drone Expo?
Yeah, why not? I mean, we got a pretty good stall, and if things from here comes out as fruitful, then maybe in the next exhibition also we'll try and we'll have a stall.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
time, and
Thank you.
wish you a very best.
Thank you.